Hey, it's Plant Based Tracey, and I invite you to join me on a culinary adventure that can transform not just your meals, but your entire life. Imagine discovering a world of flavors, a realm of nourishment that's good for your body, the environment, and even our animal friends. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Veganism. Isn't that just a diet for the super health conscious or crazy animal activists? Well, my friends, it's time to debunk some misconceptions and explore the wonderful reasons why veganism is a movement that is sweeping our nation. First, let's talk about your health. Did you know that adopting a plant-based lifestyle can lower your risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and even certain types of cancer? By embracing colorful fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, you're nourishing your body with vital nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants that support a strong immune system and vibrant well-being. But the benefits of veganism extend far beyond your personal well-being. Our planet is in desperate need of our help. Animal agriculture is responsible for a significant amount of greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. So by choosing plant-based options, you're reducing your carbon footprint and taking a stand for a more sustainable future. Now, I understand that change can be daunting. And many people worry about missing out on the flavors they love. But fear not. The world of vegan cuisine is exploding with creativity and mouth-watering options. From plant-based burgers that sizzle on the grill to decadent dairy-free desserts that will have your taste buds dancing, you'll be amazed at the possibilities. Some of the world's most successful and influential individuals have embraced veganism. We're talking about athletes breaking records, celebrities shining their light, and entrepreneurs leading with compassion. People like Billie Eilish, Joaquin Phoenix, Lizzo, Lewis Hamilton, Venus Williams, Ariana Grande, Jessica Chastain, and so many others. So by joining this movement, you're not just exploring new flavors, you're joining a global community of like-minded individuals who are making a difference. So how can you begin your own plant-powered journey? Well, start by experimenting with some small changes. Perhaps you can explore meatless Mondays, or you can incorporate a plant-based breakfast into your routine. There are so many plant-based foods available in grocery stores and plant-based recipes available online or in cookbooks. Get creative in the kitchen and try new ingredients, spices, and cooking techniques. You'll be amazed by the incredible flavors and textures that can be achieved with plant-based ingredients. And when you go out to a restaurant, look for plant-based options, and I love vegetable sides. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about progress and embracing a lifestyle that aligns with your values. So please be kind to yourself on your journey. So my friends, are you ready to embark on this flavorful journey with me? Let's explore the wonderful world of veganism together, one delectable dish at a time. For more inspiration, check out this video.